Here's how to make a 1960s sci-fi teleporter sound effect with the Xalophone. First, expand the Kai power wheel. Adjust your lower frequency range to bass minus 0.5 octaves and the upper range all the way up to 4. Switch to continuous mode. Put the delay to 0.2 seconds, and this is the most important bit, put the feedback all the way up to 0.9. All the other settings, oh yeah, and just as a guide, change the number of intervals displayed, intervals per octave, to 2. And then placing a finger on each of 4 octaves. Sort of sweep up. And that's how you make a 60s sci-fi teleporter sound effect with a Xalophone. Free app for iPhone.